Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bio Lectures. I am SwamyYadav. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the human digestive system. The human digestive system is one of the most important system in our body. By the end of this lecture, you will be understand how the food that we eat is going to be break down and used by our body. Okay, so let's get started. What is the digestive system? The digestive system is a group of organs that works together to convert food into the energy. So it starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. The digestive system has mainly two parts. One is digestive tract, alimentary canal, and also second one is the accessory organs. The major part of the digestive including mouth, esophagus, stomach and small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the major parts in the digestive tract. Okay, have a look on the mouth. What happens in the mouth? The food, the digestion begins in the mouth. While we chewing food, our teeth break down into smaller pieces. It makes easier to swallow. The saliva released by salivary glands, it contains the amylase enzyme. It contains amylase enzyme which break down the carbohydrates like sugar and rice, bread, etc. Okay, so this process is called chemical digestion and mechanical digestion. And the second one is esophagus. What happens here in the esophagus? Once the food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it forms a soft ball like structure called the bolus. So this bolus travels down by a tube-like structure called esophagus, and a wave-like motion called peristalsis, which pushes bolus into the stomach. Okay, next, stomach. What happens in the stomach? The stomach acts like a blender. So it mixes food with gastric juices that contains acids and enzymes like pepsin break down the proteins. The stomach muscles churning food into semi-liquid called chyme. So this is the chyme, which means the food is partially digested and it's ready for the next step. Small intestine. What happens here? The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. The length is about the small intestine is 20 feet, or we can say 6 meters. Here in the small intestine, most of the digestion and absorption happens. So digestive juices from the liver and pancreas are mixed with the food and they break down carbohydrates and proteins, fats. The nutrients and the food are absorbed into the bloodstream through the teeny like finger-like structure called villi in the small intestine. So it looks like this. So it absorbs nutrients into bloodstream. Large intestine. Okay, here in the large intestine, after small intestine absorbs the nutrition, the remaining waste is moves into the large intestine. Here in the large intestine, the water is absorbed from the waste. The remaining solid is converted into the feces. Okay. The colon contains bacteria and it also helps digestion. So it produces some vitamins. Rectum and anus. This is the final step of removal waste. Solid waste or feces is stored in the rectum. Eventually, it exists from the body through the anus. Accessory organs. Organs that helps in the digestive system. The liver produces digestive juice called bile, which helps in breaking down fats into smaller particles. The gallbladder stores bile and releases into the stomach when needed. Next, the pancreas. The pancreas produces enzymes that are the helps in digestion of carbohydrates and proteins, fats. Pancreas also helps control blood sugar level, producing insulin. So this is all about the digestive system. I hope you all understood. And if you like this video, please like it and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.